My character's still tired as fuck, boys.
Yeah. As soon as the sun goes down, we'll sleep, but who knows when that'll be. Why is Kevin way the fuck out there?
That's what I was just wondering. Because I just turned around and looked, I was like, where the fuck is Kevin at?
Like, he was at the base, and he never left the base. And
now he followed.
Now
he
the
followed
fuck he's
me
way
yesterday.
out there.
Because he followed me because I didn't know how to tell him to stop. But I don't know why the fuck he's all the way over there.
That's alright, he'll figure it out. He's got sticks to gather when he gets back.
Does he come back, or do I need to go get him?
I
I'll just
assume
run and
he
get him.
comes back. Unless he's down. Oh shit.
Yeah, I think you might have to get him. I
Okay, I'll go get him. Oh, what the fuck is this? There's a camp here.
don't know. Oh, yeah.
Is there any good stuff?
I think the drying rack's working though. 'Cause I feel like they would have wouldn't be bad by now.
I got a C4 brick. Hell yeah.
Oh, dude, who's this bitch?
What bitch?
She got like 2 arms and shit.
Oh yeah, don't kill her. Don't kill her or anything. That's fucking, that's Virginia.
Yeah, she stalks our camp a lot, dog.
Dude, she's got like 4 arms, 4 legs.
Because you can make her a companion. I just don't know how to do it.
I think I know how.
I don't think you can do that, Marcus.
I don't know what you're talking about. What are you talking about?
I think
dog?
Kelvin's coming to you guys.
Oh,
It looks like he's
Kelvin, not
walking.
Kevin.
Yeah, yeah.
I knew that.
But it looks like he's moving.
Good, let him move.
Timber!
I think the sun's getting close to coming down finally.
It does look like the sun is coming down. Giggity. There we go. I'll put a step on there, Riley, so we don't have to jump to get on the bridge now every time.
Sweet. That's a good idea.
Yeah,
I got a bunch of wood where I'm at. We cut down 2 trees to make room for something.
Alright, it's getting dark, Todd, my guy. Nighty night, tired, like.
Well, come get this wood, because if wood's just laying on the ground and we sleep, it goes away, I've found out. Unless it's in storage.
gonna say, we can put it in storage, eh?
Yeah, if it's in storage, it won't disappear, but if it's just laying on the ground, it will.
Hey, the wood's on the ground, but I'm watching you cut the trees down to put it on the ground, big dog.
Yeah, there's a bunch of wood all over. I cut 2 trees. Some of them are falling off the cliff, but
Yeah, be like that.
that's fine.
It be like that on them big jobs.
But the place looks alright. I mean, I'd ask you, Timmy, but you didn't stick around long enough to find out, you know.
We're back. I'm almost there.
Alright, so where you fuck you want me to put these logs?
Right here, dog. I got to, see. Let's see this bridge. Ooh.
Yeah, I know, I'm good, I know.
What about the other one? You did, nice.
Yeah.
Looks good.
It's dark as titty shit. How you turn on the light? What button is it?
I think it's
L.
X. Oh, is it L?
Yeah, but the fucking electric lighter ain't lighting
Ain't
shit.
I got some cloth if you don't have it to make a torch. And I found out that it doesn't
I got
really...
it before, but
They don't really
yeah,
go
it
out.
don't help. No. It just makes you blind to the darkness.
Yeah, you can only see
This
what's
game,
directly
like,
in
once
front
your
of you.
guy, it's kind of like real life. Once your guy gets his natural night vision.
Look at the fucking campfire in the background of our place.
I can't. It's dark as fuck where I am. I just
Like,
see trees and shit.
You could just see the light from the fire.
There we go. See, it looks cooler based from a distance, but once you get in there and lose your guys' night vision, then you can't see anything. Is it full? Does look
If
full.
it's flush, it's full, so they can
Cool.
both fit one more layer.
Well,
But it's
hold
good
the
for
fuck
now.
up. I was gonna say, if we're going out there, I need this motherfucker.
Alright. There's more wood that fell off that cliff.
Well, I even cut down a tree over here somewhere.
We'll get this one more convenient than the one I...
It's dark, so it's hard for me to fucking tell where I cut that son bitch down.
Yeah. Oh, right here, dog.
Where? Found it?
I found some logs.
Alright, so this is the general area.
So... Yeah. I don't know, Timmy, are you in a place where you can sleep?
He's back at the base.
Yeah.
Oh, you're at base?
Yeah,
Yeah.
dude. Damn, Tim, he said, fuck yeah.
I'm bad, dog. Alright, well,
Come.
we need some sleep, fellas.
Yeah. Yeah, we do.
Pick a bed.
Alright, picked a bed. Ray knows bed I'm sleeping in. Alright, but, Riley, did you go to that one, cave? Like, by the cave? Because me and Timmy got a slingshot from that outside of the cave.
Yeah, I did. I didn't get a slingshot, but I got a can opener.
Oh. So it gives everyone different shit.
You're talking about when we spawned it. Are we sleeping? Hello, fellas?
Yep.
I'm sleeping. It says 2 out of 3 on mine.
Yep, I'm sleeping.
My bad.
Yeah, it was you, bro. Yeah.
Alright, time
Hey.
to humanly stuff first.
Yep. Eat, drink.
You talking about the cave that we, like, spawned near on the mountains?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a can opener for you.
Yeah, I got a slingshot. I don't know if Timmy did or not, but...
So you
Yeah.
can, like, do those little rocks in there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I got a fish trap up the river. Spawn in the fish spawn.
I got all kinds of random fucking shit. Jesus Christ.
That's how you
Who's
keep
that?
it at night right there, dude.
Have you went
Yes,
to this
and-
cave that's, like, close to us?
we need a thing to go on a zip line. I feel like we need 3 of them because there's 3 of us, right?
What do you have for a zip line currently?
Zip line rope.
Zip
But
line
Timmy said the rope's already there. We just need the thing to get on to the zip line.
Yeah, the
okay.
rope's there. I have some batteries, ammo.
I'm gonna put another fish trap closer to our base so we don't have to fucking run as far, dude.
Well, what we need to do is try to find one of their camps and look for a solar panel so we can start making electricity.
I have a light bulb already.
Right. So if we can get solar panels to power everything. Timmy, you're burning the whole place down.
Help!
Damn, mate.
Jesus Christ. I don't know who the fuck put that fire in.
How far in the water do you gotta put this fucking fish trap, dude?
I already have one.
Yeah, I'm just putting one closer to the base, dude.
Oh, don't just put it in some random water. It's got to be water where they're spawning.
I'm putting it right in the river, right here.
Yeah.
Does it have to be like fully submerged?
Yeah. Which it is.
Right there, boom.
If that doesn't work, let me know and I'll show you where. The reason it's all the way upriver is because that's where the only place I could find fish spawning at. Like, you can't go in here right now and kill a fish if you're not right here. But maybe the trap will somehow get them there.
It needs more sticks, big dog.
I have a stick storage over here.
Well, oh, you don't have any sticks either?
No, I gotta not try to burn my fish.
Oh, don't worry, I got it. It's built. How do you know if there's even fish in that bitch?
You'll see it. Is there a way to make storage or anything?
Kind of
like
storage.
a chest?
Yeah. Well, you can make a shelf. You can make a shelf now. Oh, well, maybe a chest too, but I know you can make a shelf. Storage. Stick storage, rock storage, log bone, brine rack, armor rack, shelf, wall shelf. That's really, you really only got shelves.
Yeah, I've seen that. That's not ideal.
No, it's not. But, yeah, take what you can get.
Yeah. Yeah, you're correct.
At some point, we need to make a wall around our base.
Yeah, that would be smart.
Oh,
Thing is like, yeah, you can still make that one. Thing is like, so what I wanted to do is build this bridge. I built it out down there where I was cutting those trees. I'm gonna put a lookout overlooking the drop off, and I'm probably gonna make a couple things over there on that side as well, so we could have two sides. So if we could somehow build a wall around that as well, interlock them somehow.
How you drop a log, eh?
G.
Stop cooking it, dude. Bobby.
Why do I have So many of those.
I'll put my canned food inside the house.
Dude,
Yeah.
look how many printer resins I have.
Hell yeah, dude.
That's not it. I still have 170. What are they used for, dog?
There we go. I'll put all my canned food in that bitch since I don't have a can opener. And I can pick up more if I find more. What are you doing over there, Timmy?
Well, I thought that you guys already went to all these caves because they just all showed up on the map. So I went to a cave, and I got electric baton in front of the cave.
Wow, Timmy's just doing shit without us. Wow, dude.
Nice.
Hey, I'm just here. All right, there was a green thing on the map at first. I thought maybe that's where y'all got the segways at. So I went to go check it out, and there was not a fucking thing there.
It's on the other side of camp where we found it, but it might not be there anymore.
Oh, Timmy wants his own Segway, huh? I mean, I would assume it would probably be there, you know? One for each prayer. Oh, yeah, I think I found the same spot. Oh yeah, Timmy, if you come to me, there's a Segway.
Oh no, where the fuck you at? Let me get out of here. I can't see you right now. I'm a little scared now. Fuck.
Greater than growing inside of me. Greater than feeding and bathing and growing inside of me.
There's a Milwaukee drill. Hell yeah, at least these guys are doing shit right. Yeah, nah, I'm out. I'm waiting for you guys when these. I'm all good. Oh god, what is that? Ain't gonna lie, I just scared the fuck out of myself. Yeah. Listen, I went in this cave, and for some reason there's a cross on the ground. I picked it up, and it acts like a weapon. So I'm all good. This ain't the life for me.
Your fish thing did catch a fish, I'm looking at it.
Well, hold that. Catching them fishes. Timmy, you went far the fuck away, bro.
I'm trying to find my way out right now.
Oh, Timmy falls deep in the cave, huh?
Nah, it's like it's steep. Like to get back out, little steep fucking hill or cliff, and there's nothing but little cliffs around me. So I have to figure out which one it was. All right, yep, I'm out. Waiting for you guys. I ain't about that life. As soon as it gave me a cross. Eh. But I'm just saying, if anybody needs baptized, I'm your guy. Oh fuck, Marcus, you're just right there.
I was trying to get to you, but I'm stuck at the moment. What's up, dude?
Yeah, this is what it gave me. And if I use it, it just does that.
Dude, hell yeah, dude.
So, this is not really for me. Let's wait on Riley to get over here.
Riley, we're doing a cave. Bring your ass.
Cause that cave's big as fuck.
I'm coming. You guys are just far as fuck away.
There's all kinds of shit in here though. Like I got, what are these? Oh, I got shotgun shells. Bunch of light bulbs. I don't know. I have watches. I don't really know what those are going to be for, but.
Oh, you can make time bomb with watches.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Oh, C4. Oh, the only thing I'm missing is, I guess, quarters or something to make a time bomb.
Time bomb.
Yeah. What can I make with this?
I found your
8,
cave. Can we
10
I found your cave.
Yeah. I'm telling you, I don't know why you need a cross. Be ready.
How do you get off the fucking Segway? I didn't mean to put it
Jump
down.
twice.
Now. Okay, god dang. About time I figured that out. Yeah, you gave me another right bulb. Let me. Alright, I'm coming in here strapped, bitches.
Alright, I'm here.
Yeah, I found a C4 block.
I got a hand grenade.
Let me see here. I'm getting the cross out because it wants me to have the cross for some reason.
Has anyone got a torch? I don't. Is it dark
No.
in there, Jimmy?
There's lights everywhere.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're good.
It's still. I mean, it's not like bright.
I can still see. That's all that matters.
Damn.
Alright, watches for days, dude. Canned food. Num nums. Dude, raw meat and shit. It's pretty goddamn dark in here.
A lot of
At least
skulls
they-
if you want any skulls.
I will say the lighter does it good in the cave.
Yeah, it
More
does.
rope. I don't want the rope though. Fuck.
Oh, how the fuck do we get it down? Oh, I about fell.
Right here. But over here is this cross and shit. Somewhere over here.
Oh, we want that.
Have you guys fight anything down here?
No, not yet. I didn't go deep enough. Because they gave me the cross and I was like, yeah.
Dude, look, I found medicine on the ground, MRE.
Oh fuck, I didn't even see that shit.
Dude. I'm fucking set, boys. Yeah, give me that cross. Daddy wants the cross. Yeah,
There's
give me
loot
that.
down here for days.
Yeah, there's much shit in here.
Yeah, we're set to not die.
There's also, if you go up on...
Do I have to have this cross out?
I don't know. I don't know why, because it's like a weapon. I don't know why it gave it to us.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep my hand grenade out. Fuck the cross.
But yeah, if you go up on this little ledge right here, there's some more shit right here.
More shit. Love stuff. Oh, bone.
A lot of flares and shit.
Did you even make armor yet, Timmy?
No.
Oh, rip. At least I made bone armor. Do you have to make every piece for the bone armor, or?
I think you just keep making them until your armor thing's full.
Alright.
Found a map, or
This is
piece of
as far
paper.
as I went right here.
This is what we're looking for.
Oh yeah, that shit
Can
on
you-
the walls.
Can you guys see it?
Yeah, I'm holding
Yeah.
it on my paper on my hand. It
Alright.
keeps taking my fucking grenade away, dude. And Daddy don't like that. Daddy needs his hand grenade. Whoa! Eeyore.
Oh, what the fuck is that?
What's up, dude?
There's something right there. What is that?
Where?
Right there.
That's a dead body cut.
Oh, hold up. Hey,
Oh.
back up, boys. Grenade out.
What is that?
Grenade out, boys. My dude used his teeth.
Nice.
Yes, sir. Knew the hand grenade would come in handy.
I got two, just in case we needed two.
Hey, I got time bombs right here.
Oh, same. Oh my god. Oh my. I'm getting my slingshot out. I can't. Oh, can I shoot it? Ew. Hand grenade works, boys.
It definitely works.
Guys are leaving me.
I don't laugh about
My workers are having a lot of trouble getting anywhere inside these caves in complete darkness. No more light in there. It's safety hazard. Lighted up like a Christmas tree.
Alright, we're gonna fucking do one of these. Yeah. Hold on.
Oh, I got a MRE right here.
God damn it.
Oh, they gave me full.
Hold on, boys. I'm trying to make something right now, real quick.
Paint goes there. Okay, the same.
Looks
Oh, I think I
crazy in
gotta
the
go.
distance,
Yeah.
dog. There's a
I'm trying to
painting.
figure out about the-
There's a what?
It's a painting on the wall.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I don't have enough room for fucking torches.
Hearing a lot of walking going on around me. Other than you.
Let's see here. What I got here?
It says stay out.
Oh,
What's up, boys? Oh, what the fuck was that, boys?
Nice.
Those aren't really bright. I ain't gonna lie to you.
no.
They work a little bit.
Not much. But a little something.
Oh, dude, look, gold. That's what they were looking for.
Yeah, that's exactly what they were looking at.
They were so close, but yet so far. Shout. Let it all out. These are the... Oh, right there. This fuck, boys. Oh, you can punch him. That's gonna be us here soon, boys.
Oh shit, do you see that?
Do
I
what?
can't see shit.
Dude, something just fucking ran down that darkness.
Yeah, hold up. Get my out. I can't see shit. Oh yeah, dude, the lighter does better than the torch. I can see further with the lighter.
Oh shit.
That's all, dude. Oh, they're leading us into a trap.
Yeah, this is gonna get hairy.
Oh, I see lights. Oh yeah. Oh, was that me?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a fucking big ass cave, boys.
Yeah. At some
I
point,
know we all have
the
food
lights
to
are
eat
gonna stop.
down here. What, like our lighters?
So, oh Jesus. The lights that are on the ground.
Why
We
is
got
that?
any? This is a big area. Light it up.